Okay, so on today's assignment, one of the things that you're supposed to be doing is the fall mystery picture. So I do want to go ahead and show you how you're going to do this. Basically, it is a dot to dot. You may have done one of these before. The only difference is that you have to actually draw your dots before you can draw your lines. So I'm going to just start off. I'm actually doing the mystery picture number 1. There are 3 different ones, so not all of you are going to get the same one. So I'm going to go ahead and start on this one. So my first point that I'm going to be doing, I'll write it up here, is a -11, 3. Matter of fact, I'll just write several of the first ones here, and then show you what we're doing. And then it says stop. And then after the stop, it gives me a -11, 3 again. So I'll show you that bit of it. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a -11, 3. I think that is a -11 and then 3. Your paper is numbered. I couldn't get it to download, so I'm just using this. So there's my first one. So I'm going to do that one, and I would mark through them as you do them. My next one is a -9, 4. And then 4. And then what you want to do, guys, is as you draw the dots, okay, don't put all your dots on there. As you draw your dots, then you're going to connect them. So I'm going to connect as I go. If you draw all your dots, then you're going to forget how you were supposed to connect. So the next one is 9, 4. All right, there you go. Take that one off. So there's 9, 4. Again, I'm going to come through here and I'm going to connect them. Now you need to use your straight edge on there. I just can't on my iPad use a straight edge. My next one is 11, 3. So it looks like it should be about there. Okay. And then it says stop. What that means is that now I'm not going to connect. So when I go to my next one, which is a -11, 3, okay, so that would be here. I'm back over to here, okay? So I'm right here on this point right now. So I stopped over there. I'm now starting right here. It says a -11, 3, and then the next one is a -13, 6. So now I'm going to go a -11, -12, -13, 6. Back up, whoops, here, and then I will connect those two, okay? So anytime it says stop, that means you're not going to connect this dot to this dot that is over here, okay? It's saying stop, break, and then start over again, okay? So that is what you're going to do. When you get done, you should have a picture, and then you do need to color in your picture and make it look nice. So part of the grading will be that you do color it. Now, in the future, one of the things that you're going to have to do, matter of fact, you'll probably start it actually into this week, into next week, but you, very similar to this, will design your own picture. So as you're doing this, I want you to think about what picture could you design using horizontal, vertical, and what I call as oblique lines, positive or negative slope lines. And yours will have to have like 20 lines, okay, 15 to 20 lines. I'll have a criteria with a rubric that I'll give you. So start thinking of something fairly easy, not too difficult, but that incorporates positive slopes, negative slopes, horizontal and vertical lines on it. But you can't have very many horizontal or vertical. Most of them have to be oblique. Anyway, start thinking of a picture, maybe something, again, along going in with the season, but it doesn't have to be.